guys, and welcome back to my channel Little Pearls of Randomness, and today I'm going to share with you my Christmas traditions. So while the usual traditions are great and everything, like the ones I've just shown you, the making of cookies, decorating the house and the tree, watching Christmas movies and stuff, at this time of year it gets a little bit stressy, so there are some other things that I'm taking on this year as part of my Christmas traditions. They're going to be new ones that I'm going to take carrying forward. One is meditation. I've been doing this for a little while now and I find it very, very useful. So meditation, I do guided meditations because I am new to it, but I find it extremely useful in clearing my mind, helping me center my thoughts. Also helps me solve problems, which is quite bizarre. Like I can think through something that's bothering me a little bit and I can find a solution to that problem, and it makes me feel calmer after the meditation. So the ones I do go to about 20 minutes max. There are lots that you can do. There's apps and stuff. The Calm app is really good, though you have to pay for it after the introductory courses, which I just do the introductory courses, and the same with Headspace, which is another really good one. Where I work, they have guided meditations twice a week as part of the business area, but you can also find some online, so I'll link below some of the most useful ones that I've found, and also yoga. So I got into yoga a little while back, probably about 4 months ago. Yeah, I really enjoy it. It's challenging. I mean, I'm not the most flexible person in the world, I'm just not naturally that way, but I find it challenging and interesting. I have no idea what I'm doing half the time, which is kind of funny. So again, I'll link some below of the ones that I've found, or the same company that does it. But I am quite keen in the new year to do some more yoga. There is a new yoga place opening up the road, so I'll give them a go. Yeah, I guess the most important thing around this time is just to remember to breathe. Don't put too much pressure on yourself to make the most perfect Christmas. At the end of the day, people just want your company, and hopefully your best self on the day. I mean, I guess if you're finding yourself getting a little bit wound up, which can happen at Christmas because we're all just striving to get everything done, yeah, just go for a walk, take a deep breath. I like to go and treat myself to a nice cup of tea in a cafe or something like that, just to get out of the space that I was in. Yeah, so it's hopefully that will provide you a little bit of downtime to just get your thoughts in order and come back feeling not so stressed out. Yeah. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful holiday season. I really do hope that it is a good one for you. Just take care as well. You know, we're all sort of limping over the finish line at the moment at work and everything. So just take time to relax, take time to take care of yourself, think through things as well. Don't make any rash decisions, that's for the new year. but do enjoy yourselves, which is the main thing around this time of year, particularly in the southern hemisphere where it is our summer. So yeah, if you're down here, I'll again reiterate, please do wear sunscreen. That sun is fierce, and I'm guessing cancer in your skin really does suck. So slip, slop, slap and wrap. And if you're in the northern hemisphere, keep warm. Yeah, enjoy the snow if you're lucky enough to get snow. I've never had a snowy Christmas. It's on my bucket list. And again, yeah, just take care of yourself up there and things. I'm guessing snow and cold weather also presents different hazards, particularly if you're tired and run down. Yeah, but thank you so much for watching this. Really had a great year. Really, again, enjoy doing this, even though I haven't done it as much as I did the previous year. It was just getting a little bit too much. But yeah, hope to see you guys back here in the new year, and really looking forward to your company. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!